Hello, hi, good morning, my dear students. This is your biology teacher Shivani Dikshit from CPVN online classes. So, dear students of class 10th, today we are going to discuss something about the topic pollution. Dear student, first of all, I would like to explain you the definition of pollution. Pollution, the act of polluting or the state of being polluted, especially the contamination of the environment by the harmful substances. Here, the term arises in our mind, that is pollutant. What is pollutant? A foreign substance that makes something dirty or impure, especially waste from human activities. Now, let's move to the types of pollution. There are following 5 types of pollution. Number 1, air pollution. Number 2, water pollution. Number 3, soil pollution. Number 4, noise pollution. And number 5, radioactive pollution. Let's move to the next page. Now, let's understand with the help of these diagrams. This is a type of water pollution, that is also known as sewage pollution. That is source of noise pollution. Following sources. Here is the soil pollution and this one is of radioactive pollution. Now let's understand first of all the type of pollution, that is air pollution. What is its definition? The contaminant of the atmosphere by harmful gases and particles. Contamination of the atmosphere by harmful gases and particles. There are two types of air pollution, gaseous pollution and number 2, particulate pollution. Gaseous pollution done by gases and particulate pollution caused by dust and smoke. What are the sources of the air pollution? There are following sources: vehicular exhaust, automobiles, industrial waste, burning garbage, brick and kilns, smoke and grit. Now, there are some pictures of the air pollution. The air pollution by vehicular emission, brick kilns causing air pollution, burning garbage causes air pollution, and the industrial waste like SO2, CO2, CO, smoke, fly ash spreads air pollution. So student, you should not draw these pictures in your copy. Should not draw. These are just to make you understand by the help of the diagrams that how many types the air pollution can spread. Let's move. Next is the water pollution. Let's understand its definition. Contamination of water, especially surface water, by sewage effluent, industrial chemical discharge, etc. What are its sources? Its main sources are household detergent, domestic sewage, industrial waste, oil spills, etc. And the fifth point is thermal power plant, oil refineries and nuclear power plants are main sources of the water pollution. Let's see its pictures. This is the image of the water pollution by the oil spill. Means you are observing that there are lots of ships loaded with the diesel, petrol and the petroleum and oil tankers. So if there is the leakage of these oil drops on the surface of the water, then that particular area of the water get contaminated and there is a layer upon that water of oil. So due to this oil, the life inside the water like fish and other animals got die. and that also pollute the water. So this is called the oil spill water pollution. I hope you understand. Now let's understand the next topic, that is soil pollution. What is its definition? Decrease in soil fertility because of the addition of some foreign particle. Here E is missing some. And what are its sources then? Number one, industrial waste, urban commercial and domestic waste, chemical fertilizers, biomedical waste, biodegradable waste, non biodegradable waste, and pesticides, etc. They all spread soil pollution. Let's understand with the help of some diagrams. This is the soil pollution by the biodegradable waste. You just have to observe it carefully. Now, the next and important type of pollution, that is noise pollution. What is its definition? Excess noise which is unpleasant or harmful is called the noise pollution. What are its sources? Means of transport like jet plane, aeroplane, train, motor vehicles, etc. Jet aeroplanes, workshops, loudspeakers, radios and musical hands, some other electric appliances used in kitchens and houses, some other common sources of noise like mixer grinder, like washing machine, they all makes noise pollution, right? Now, there is the next type of pollution, that is known as radiation or radioactive pollution. Its definition: the process of radiation waves or particles. It is due to the active radioactive energy, transfer of energy via radiation. Its sources are radioactive elements and man-made radiation. As you know, students, that there are some mishaps in our history, like Japan and Hiroshima nuclear bombing in the year 1945, Ukraine Chernobyl disaster in the year 1986, Japan nuclear plant explosion iodine 131 in March 2011, Delhi radioactive waste of cobalt 60 in the year 2010. These all spreads a lots of radioactive pollutions. Let's move with the help of diagram. We can see that how the radioactive pollution get spread. It is the picture of a nuclear disaster. So dear students, in this video I have just only explained about the types of pollution. In our next video we will understand few more terms about this chapter. Hope you like the video. Thank you. And have a nice day. Stay safe, stay at home, stay tuned with our more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.